Ever wonder why you're lifting weights but not losing weight? Let's dive into 10 reasons why, with a touch of humor to lighten the load. Reason number 1, you're gaining muscle mass. Muscle is denser than fat, so while you're losing fat, the scale might not budge. It's a good problem to have. Reason 2, your diet might need a tune-up. Lifting weights alone won't cut it if you're not eating a balanced diet. Remember, you can't outlift a bad diet. Number 3, more protein, please. Protein helps with muscle repair and keeps you full. Without enough protein, your workouts might not be as effective. 4, alcohol could be sneaky sabotage. Those empty calories add up and can hinder your progress. Maybe skip the margarita and opt for water with a twist of lime. 5th reason, your workouts might be too low intensity. If you're not feeling the burn, you might need to crank it up a notch. Add some representatives or heavier weights. Number 6, consistency is key. If your workout schedule is all over the place, it's time to get into a regular routine. Your body will thank you. 7th reason, you might be snacking too much. Those post-workout munchies can sneak up on you. Opt for healthy snacks that keep you full. Number 8, eating too little can also be a problem. Not enough calories can lead to muscle loss and fatigue. Balance is everything. Reason 9, rest and recovery are just as important as lifting. Your muscles need time to heal and grow. Plus, good sleep helps control hunger hormones. Finally, number 10, patience, young grasshopper. Weight loss takes time. Stick with it and celebrate the small victories along the way. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.